Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 Pro, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and scroll down to the sounds and vibrations section. And as can you see here, we got our ringtone reminders and notifications volume panel, and just to change the ringtone volume, swipe with your finger here to the left or to the right side. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Here on the right side of our device, we got the volume panels. Just press one from the volume buttons, and here just go to the three dots icon, and you can just change your ringtone volume by swiping to the up or to the down. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.